Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're gonna show you how to set up to make your MI or Xiaomi something router as a Wi-Fi extender. They call it Xiaomi or DCC. Okay, this router is called MI router 4C. So we want to connect this to the main internet so that we make it to be an extender, right? So what you have to do, put it in power, right? You're going to see this light, one of the light. So also there's a second light there which showing, but it's not very much clear. This should light if everything is fine. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go at the back of this router. But this could work on many routers, even if it's not Xiaomi, because I worked on many routers. The procedure almost the same. So what we need to do is to reset the router to its factory settings. So most routers, they have this hole which called reset. You can see it's written reset. So you put in a pin here. You can put a toothpick or whatever. Then you press it for 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. When you press it, you can see I'm pressing. It's switched off. Once it's switched off, just know that it did reset. So after reset, what do you do? I'm gonna get, sometimes you can connect using what? You can connect using a cable. Sometimes you don't have to have a cable. So what I'm gonna do, you can even literally use your phone. So me, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look for that Wi-Fi here. If it switches on nicely, it should have a Wi-Fi. I disconnect from this. Get me, still it wasn't reset. Why? Because there's this Wi-Fi here which it shouldn't work, because if it's working, this is the Wi-Fi I sent before. So what I need to do now, if it connects, I have to reset it again. Let me see. Yeah, it's now connected. No, yeah, it's connected. No, it's not connected. This means it was removed. So which is okay, it was reset. So I'm gonna look for Xiaomi, right? It's here. So when I click that, it won't ask me for the password. I connect, not all, some of them they have passwords here. So it won't connect, it won't ask you for the password. It will automatically open this page to give you a chance to set this. So it's gonna ask you to do this. You select this, select this too. Just say next. Okay, it says select a country. Select any country you want. Okay. Said try it now. Okay. Give it some time. Okay. Now it says no homework cable, no home network cable. There's no problem. Since it says continue without connecting to a network cable. You say yes. When you choose that, we say Wi-Fi access point, automatic whatever. Choose this guy, access point. Okay, then you say next. Okay, when you say next, it's gonna give you which Wi-Fi you want to extend. So let me look for mine. I wanna look for mine. There are a couple of them here, but there's the one I'm looking for. I can't find it. It's a 5G. Can't get this. This is not very good for me. Let me try to refresh. Let me go back. I also come back. Say next. I wanted to connect to a different one. Okay, I can't get it. Let me just connect to this password, but I want to name it. Okay. Please enter the password to extend. Okay. It's, okay, after that, let me say next. Okay, after that, okay, wireless relay mode. Okay, name of Wi-Fi, password. So, do you want, then here, because it's connected, you can change to any name. I want to call this. So this is the name I want, but you can leave it the way you want. So, but I'm going to put this. Okay. Let me change this to. Okay, let me see. For better experience, automatically upgrade the firmware, whatever. Okay, we can leave that. We say next. You can see it gives you everything there, the password and all that. We save it. After saving that, let's see. Now it disconnects. So what we do, we go here and look for what we created now. It's not popping up here for now. Let me check on a different device. I see if we can see it. I'll check here. More. Yeah, it's here. You can see. When I click it, it's going to ask me for the password. Okay, after. Say okay. You see, it's connecting. Wow, and it's done. So, that's simple. I can check my speed test if I want to. Trying to go to speed test. Trying to run that and see. It's crazy. It has the speed is very, very bad. So that's fine, but I did set that. Guys, that's the way you do that. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.